Hey, how you doing tonight? This is one of the reasons I always go through things and look at things. This is my front brakes, front caliper on 76 Ironhead. I'm working on. Okay, here's brake pads. Here's the other one. This goes on the inside. Goes together like so, with this in the middle. Excuse me. Goes together like this. Got your this be toward the hub, and then goes in sort of like this. And that presses together. Okay. Well, anyway, there's your bleeder. Mine's broken off. I'm going to have to try to get that out. I think I can almost get something on there. I have a easy out too that I can try. Now, why I take this stuff apart all the time is because if you look inside here, now I dumped all the really good stuff out before I decided to make the video, but here, this is just some of the crap that gets inside there. All that. Look at all that. That's something that's running around inside the brakes. There, you can get a nice look at it in there. Okay. I'll clean that out, and I'll bet you this goes back to work, and I'll get it to be back on the road again. But anyway, should have seen this. This was just caked full of, I don't even know what it was. That's the piston. Oh, and to get that out, the easiest way to do it is just to put your air gun in there and blow the piston right out. Most of this stuff will clean up. Pads don't look like they're in bad shape. I'll just clean them with a little brake clean. Well, that one's a little low. Yeah, we'll see. I'll take a look at them and clean them up. But anyway, that's why I take the time to open things up and take a look at them. I don't want to be trusting my life with a front brake that looks like that. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, click on a couple of the ads, subscribe, like, whatever you want, ask a question. Alright, thanks a lot.